Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you like this content, I have a playlist full of technology tutorials like this. I hope this video helps you. Before we start, let's roll the intro. Today, our video tutorial is about how to view your activities on your Facebook account. This is for those who are interested and might not know how to do it yet. The steps are simple, so follow along. First, make sure your Facebook app is updated. To update, go to the Play Store and update the Facebook app. Once it's updated, open your Facebook app. Now that we're on Facebook, look for the 3 lines at the top with your profile picture logo. Click on that, then click on Settings and Privacy. When you're there, scroll down and click on Settings. Next, look for the Activity Log. You'll find it under Your Activity Log. Click on it, and here we are. Read through the Welcome to Activity Log section. Below that, you'll see 3 options: Archive, Recycle Bin, and Activity History. First, let's check the archive. Click on it, and you'll see your archived activities. Scroll down to see all the dates of your activities. At the top, you'll see a Filters option. Click on Filters, then choose a date. Click on the start date, select the date you want to see, and click OK. Then, click on the end date, select it, and click OK again. If nothing shows up, it means you had no activities on those dates. Next, let's check the Recycle Bin, where you can find deleted activities you might want to restore. Finally, go to Activity History. Click on it, and you'll see all your activity history with dates. This includes things you liked or reacted to. Scroll down to see everything, and you can also use the filter at the top to narrow down your search. And that's it for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Click the bell icon to stay updated with our new tutorial videos. Comment below if you have any topics you'd like me to cover. Don't be shy. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.